Alright, so today is December 26th, and we start what some people call it the ghost week. All the big bosses are on vacation, algos are turned on, and but volume is low, so we could see this little up squeeze keep going. We have this week high from what's today? Today's Friday, so from Wednesday session. If you compare that high to the previous week's high, it was like a couple ticks away. Then overnight we took that high, and now we're pulling back. We're inside value for Wednesday session. And but Wednesday session was a big trending day, and it was only half a day. So like we had a low volume trending day, squeeze higher, and then today we have probably another low volume day because people are still out on break, and we can keep, in my opinion, we can keep seeing this squeeze higher. Some people might be taking profits, but I think that pullbacks will be opportunities to buy. We do have a lot of poor structure below. We have a gap here. We have single prints here, 3 sets of single prints. We have the short-term value below at the 20-day point of control is at 69.30. So if you start seeing sellers and you see volatility picking up, there is a chance that the pullback can be bigger than what we expect. The expected move is very low. It's only like 20 points, but Wednesday was also very low, and we ended up moving like let me see, 30 points. So I think we doubled the expected move last week. On Wednesday, and on a short session. So I'm looking at this all-time highs. I'm looking at this untested point of control at 69.99, which this actually is from a back-adjusted chart. So, but we have the big round 7,000 number, bullish imbalances all over the place. So the expectation is for me is to still seeing grinding higher price action. If we get below the overnight low, I'm looking at this single prints as support, and then here we have the 69.60, which is a high volume node that if we put some more volume here, this could be the new 20-day point of control that shifts up here, and then 69.44, that is a low volume node which should act as some support if we get there. Probably not today, but it was resistance before, and now we'll see if it becomes support. And Q is way weaker than yes. Look how much it has until it goes back to all-time high, right? And we have this previous range that hasn't been tested, retested. So I'm looking at a move back to 26,000. This resistance. We're close to that. Remember the other day I said I posted a message on the chat that says 80 as 25,880 was gonna be the magnet. I think I posted it when we were either this session or this session, I forgot. But I posted it while I was traveling. But we got it here now, and if we keep going higher, look for 26,000, and this area, which also still have a gap pending, 25,600. So if we start getting below inside this sessions, I will look for that gap fill. Some interesting action in the metals: silver squeezing, gold squeezing. Seasonally speaking, it's a bullish season for gold all the way till the end of February. So I think dips will be bought, and also there's a whole thing going on with silver, physical versus paper. There's some issues going on that I'm not an expert to explain, but I think the conditions are for dips being bought still on silver and gold. I don't usually look at silver, but they move together with gold, so I want to start pulling up some charts for that. Crude got to the 50 moving average that I spoke about a few days ago. See how this distribution is being formed here nicely. So now we got there. That was resistant, I said. Came back to the 20-day point of control, and now we're back at the monthly VWAP. If we get below this area, watch for a move down to 56.85. That is where I would expect buyers to show up. If they don't show up there, look for 56.50, which is this high volume node. Above the 50 moving average, big magnet at 60, right below 60. That's the 90-day and what is this? I don't know why I can't see this whole thing, but I think that's the 365-day point of control. Yeah, that's the yearly point of control, right at 60. Okay, that's it. Good luck.